Okay, you guys, I'm about to go in, about to go outside to see this blizzard. It's crazy. And I'm just about to go outside. Hold on. Gotta turn on the lights and shit. Let's go outside and see this blizzard. Let's see what Nemo's about. Damn, she all locked everything. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is fucking crazy. Oh shit, look at this. This is crazy. And mind you, I cleaned all this. I cleaned all this today. All this. Look. I cleaned it. And this shit's back to like crazy. I'm about to walk. I don't give a fuck. I'm about to show you my street. This is 11 Julian Street. This is where I be at. That's my crib. You already know. But yo, damn. You can't even see the sidewalks. Okay. Damn, I don't even know why the fuck am I doing this, because it's crazy. Oh shit. I think it's crazy. This shit look crazy out here. Everybody and their mama's outside. But not really. Yo, look at this. This shit's crazy, my nigga. You can't see shit. You can't see shit. Yo, you can't see shit. Yo. Oh shit. Yo, you can't see shit. Alright, I'm about to go back inside. I'm about to go back inside. It's just crazy.